Android users, here are 6 settings you need to put in place to improve the speed of your phone. Guys, if you put these 6 settings in place, your phone will run perfectly, will run smoothly. So watch this video to the end as I put you through the processes. The first thing is that you need to enable the developer mode on your device. Tap on the settings icon on your device. Now go ahead and tap on my phone. From here, scroll up until you get to build number. Type this option several times. If you are doing it for the very first time, it will ask you to provide your PIN. Provide your PIN or details, then it will now enable the developer mode. Now that the developer mode has been enabled and the developer mode is not here, now to access the developer mode is very simple. Come to the search bar here, type in developer mode. Now you see the developer option here, tap on it. Once tap on this button, it brings to this option called developer mode. Now you are accessing this phone as developers. There are some settings you need to put in place here to be sure that your phone runs very fast. The first one is to locate what is called local buffer. Here, this option, tap on it. Now you have 16 MB, 14 M, 1 million. So the bigger it is, the lesser your phone will perform. But the smaller it is, the better it becomes. So don't turn off these settings. No, don't turn it off. So I can still leave it at 64K. Let's see 64K. Now that I've tapped on 64K, that has settled that. Then scroll down to system tracing. Now tap on system tracing. Under system tracing, if this button is turned on, record trace, toggle it off. Make sure you toggle off that button. Then toggle off this one, trace debuggable application, toggle it off. Now tap on this button that says per CPU buffer size, tap on it. Now the bigger it becomes here, the useless your phone becomes. So tap on this one, the lesser one. Now that I've done that, tap back here again one more time, then scroll up until you get to these settings here that are very important on your device. This window animation scale, transition animation scale, animation duration scale. These 3 settings are very crucial, so tap on it. You can see the bigger it becomes, the slower your system becomes. So I will tap on 0.5 seconds, the next one 0.5 seconds, the last one 0.5 seconds. So with this, your phone responds to action very fast. So these are the simple settings you need to put in place to speed your phone whenever you operate it. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.